Hi everybody, hope everything is going good. Today I'm gonna make a short presentation about the activity Task 1, Learning About Us. My full name is Oriana Betsaida Cordoba Araujo. I am 38 years old. I live in the city of Leticia, that is the Department of Amazonas. I am a student of BA in Teaching English as a Foreign Language. I am currently in 8th semester. My phone and WhatsApp number is 310-235-7159. My personal email is tutaina138@hotmail.com. I have two expectations for this course. The first one is to know through this subject, which may be the strengths and weaknesses of students in terms of learning English in order to give more appropriate instruction. The second one is to learn tools and skills that can help me develop better interactions with my students, to know what to do in certain cases presented. And the last one is to enrich my knowledge in the subject in order to acquire knowledge for good performance as a teacher. These all three were my expectations. Now we have some questions to answer. Let's start with the first question. Question number 1. According to the course description, what are your expectations for the course and what can you do to meet them? Okay, well, my expectations for the course are to improve my skills as a teacher in order to help my students in their process of learning English. In my case, I hope that it will allow me to identify the specific needs that each one of the students present in terms of their learning, and also to be able to develop strategies that contribute to the development of their needs. Then we have the second question. According to the contents, do you think the course is important for this academic program? Explain your answer. Okay, I consider this course is important for this academic program, and also it will allow me to improve my language skills, to gain a better command of English. That is the most important for all of us that we are studying via teaching English as a foreign language, and likewise make us of this language to be able to intervene in the processes within the classroom, identifying the needs that the students present, and with this I can be able to improve the teaching learning process. Now we have the third question. According to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? Briefly describe the one topic you find more interesting. Okay, the 5 topics that I like the most were the followings. The origin of ESP, what is ESP, the development of ESP, ESP approach no product, and the last one, current perspective in teaching English for specific purposes. The topic that I liked the most was what is ESP, since this model teaches English for specific purposes and also is characterized by integrating content in a specific English class, that it has to be with the relates of the areas of knowledge of the students. Okay. Now, this is the question number 4. According to the course context, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? Well, ESP is related to my language learning experience as it provides me with tools that allow me to continue learning and developing skills in learning English, allowing me to obtain a good communication in my work and in my personal environment, to be able to communicate properly with other people. That is the most important reason, the communication with the other people. Now we have the question number 5. Identify and write the reasons why you consider this course will result helpful for your teaching competences and professional practice. I consider that this course is useful in both perspectives, since it will allow me to strengthen my pedagogical foundations in an integral way, and it will also allow me to obtain knowledge, to know how to act and use my creativity to function in different situations presented. Okay? It has been all the presentation about the task 1. I hope you will understand almost everything. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next time.